To gain knowledge, especially from some company that's experienced and pretty reputable.
On all of our deliveries for our collision customers, we detail their cars already, and we're launching a new brand called Boston Customs, where we're going to be doing high-end detailing. So we wanted to get a better hands-on experience, look at the different techniques and skills that you guys can show us on the training.
I've been doing office cleaning for a while, and I wanted to dive into something different, something new.
Well, to learn more about auto detailing.
Well, I wanted to get into the detailing business and wanted to learn from professionals how to detail.
Learn how to run a detailing business.
Well, I'm opening up a car wash, and I'm trying to learn as much as I can.
I decided to take this seminar to get a good foundation to start a business with.
Well, I've been in the wireless industry for 13 years, got out of it, and starting a new career, so I need a little bit of knowledge.
Because I'm trying to learn something new. I've done a lot of schooling in my life, and it didn't really work out for me, so I feel like this is something I want to do in my life. And I want a nice career path. I want to be a businessman, so this is something to start off with.
I liked it a lot of knowledge, good information.
I think it's awesome for new folks that are looking to build up their own business. They have a lot of unique ways how to show you, not only from a training standpoint, but also how to be a successful business. Besides from us that already have been established, we already also picking up on things that we weren't even thinking about. So that is going to add to our business.
Good, I'm learning a lot of information I haven't heard of or didn't know.
It's great.
I think it's excellent. A lot of knowledge, great stuff.
A lot of information.
We've only been here for a few hours, and I've already picked up a lot of great ideas, and I'm hoping to learn some more.
So far, the classroom portion's been great.
I thought it's really good, very informative.
So far, it's great. The teacher's great. He's teaching me so much. Very fun. It's a very nice environment to be in.
It was very informational. All the instructors were right by your side if you needed help, and they really gave good advice. And it was good to be able to use the tools hands-on and get professional advice.
I think it was excellent. I picked up on newer and better ways to not only clean more efficient, but also other areas that I wasn't thinking of cleaning before. Also, the fact that we can use better techniques.
I think it's really cool. It's something new I've never done before. All the tools that we use today I've never used before, so it was a great learning experience.
Amazing. I honestly, before this, I doubted myself about it, but because I heard about buffing and how hard it is, people tell me how hard it is, it's really not. I mean, the teachers here, I really appreciate everything they do. They taught me everything. And honestly, it's very easy work. It just takes patience.
It was excellent, very informative. I learned a lot, man. Just really good.
There were a lot of things that I learned today about being more efficient in my details, especially in the washing and some of the paint correction. Just being a little bit more efficient, and hopefully that turns out to be makes me more profitable.
It's been great. The instructors are really knowledgeable. They work with you one-on-one. They answer your questions, so it's been really good.
The exterior hands-on training was great. Hands-on is the most effective way for me to learn, so it got rid of some insecurities I had about hopefully not destroying paint.
I thought it was very informative. The trainers were very good. I'd never used any of the tools before, so they were able to instruct me on how to use everything. And I just, I learned a lot today. It was not as intimidating as I always thought this was going to be.
It is amazing. Honestly, I already feel certified. This is great. The teachers are great. They're teaching me so much, and they're actually being patient with me,
There was a lot of work. Try to keep my eyes wide open, the whole time, trying to soak in all the information because everything is brand new. I don't really know anything too much about detailing, so trying to soak everything in.
Definitely worth it. The course pays for itself. Learn some new techniques, some new marketing techniques. It was very fun. I was surprised to see how the interior of the one car came out compared to how it was prior to us cleaning it. I'm excited to see the before and after pictures.
Thought it was awesome as well. I was trying to find out better ways how to do the headliner detailing. They have a very unique way how to do it. It's very simple and easy. Also, I have already tried other products in the past, and the product I try here today from their detailing line works more efficient.
I thought the interior class was really well detailed. I learned a lot that I didn't know, a lot of different techniques, and I thought it was really great overall.
The interior was fascinating, honestly, because of the stains, like how they went away so easily. And I got to witness that and actually do it on my own too.
It was great. Definitely learned a lot.
The interior was interesting. We had a really, really dirty vehicle, and to see the turnaround on it from start to end, you know, it's pretty remarkable. So yeah, I enjoyed it, and also got to use some tools today that I've never used.
It was very thorough. We got in there and we scrubbed. We got our hands dirty, and we learned how to clean the interior.
I thought it was awesome. Well, we really learned a lot. To be honest with you, I didn't know if we could get that vehicle clean, and when we left, it was amazing.
I thought it was pretty interesting to see the transformation from how dirty that car was to what it came out in the end. I really didn't expect to see how clean that thing was going to be.
Today, the interior was amazing. Like, I learned so much. And honestly, I'm so comfortable right now that I think I could get a customer, get in the car, clean it, do the exterior, and have him be satisfied.
To see the before and after was kind of shocking, to see how some of the stains were able to come out with just steam.
Really fascinating, learned a lot of new techniques. Definitely a great help.
Great, full of information, good staff to learn from.
I think it's excellent in a couple different ways. For us that already are established detailing shop, we were looking to improve in multiple ways, both interior and exterior detailing, and also what other products can we offer to our customers that we're not offering. What kind of add-ons can we do at the time of the sale? And they were able to give us a bigger picture and open up our minds. And for other people that are trying to become a detailer, this is definitely a great school that knows what they're doing and carry a very professional detail line that can be delivered to you.
Everything was great. Again, I learned a lot of different things I didn't know, and I hope it helps me succeed in the future.
Great. I love the staff. Like, they helped a lot. They taught me a lot. I never knew anything about detailing until now. I'm glad to get the certificate at the end.
They were excellent. Altogether, as a whole package, this is a great class. Very good.
As a whole, the seminar was great. A lot of information. You know, learned a lot more about, you know, how to, you know, market the business, and you know, a lot of new techniques, tips, tricks, you know, to improve efficiency.
It's been good. I'm going to take away a lot of good ideas from this, and hoping to use it.
All the day seminar, I would definitely recommend for anybody that wants to get into this line of work.
I thought it was awesome. All the trainers are very good. I came into this having never done any of this, and I've learned a lot.
Great. I also recommend this to anyone that's trying to get into detailing. This is probably the best school to come to.
Seminar as a whole was very informative, a lot of information. Some of it was a little overwhelming, but good.
Seminar as a whole definitely built a lot of confidence for me from learning all the techniques. I would definitely recommend it to anybody else.
Definitely, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I would recommend it to anyone that wants to learn more about detailing cars.
Oh yeah, of course.
Oh, absolutely. Anybody looking to get into the industry, yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, anyone who doesn't have any experience or anything like that and wants to get into this line of work, I'd suggest this as a good starting point.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Anyone.
For sure, definitely.
Absolutely.
you.